At kapadre Chris, mukhang may paalala ka ngayon.
Ayun, ito ang lagi nating hindi nakakalimutan. Sabi ko nga tax reminder. So, ano po yung tax reminder natin for tonight? Ito po yung deadline natin ng September 5, Friday. Number one, ito po yung submission ng summary report of certification issued by the President of the National Home Mortgage Finance Corporation. Ito po yung for the month of August. Ayan. Next is e-filing, e-payment, and payment form ng BIR Form 2000. Ano? Ito yung monthly documentary stamp tax declaration and return. So ito naman ay for the month of August 2025. Next po is BIR Form 2000 OT. Ito yung documentary stamp declaration return for one-time transactions. Ito din po ay for the month of August. Next is September 8. Ito. September 8, ito ho ay Monday. And submission din po ng all transcript sheets of official register books, ORBs, used by dealers, manufacturers, tool manufacturers, assemblers, importers of alcohol products, tobacco products, petroleum products, non-essential goods, sweetened beverage products, and mineral products, and automobiles. Also, this is for the month of August. And last, is submission ng ating monthly e-sales report for all taxpayers using CRM, POS, and or other similar business machines whose last digit of 9-digit TIN is even number. So, also, month of August. Kapartner Manuel?
Yan ang mga paalala para sa mga taxpayer.